Alright, so this is a new project. Since online class tayo ngayon, basically, ang mangyayari dito, I'm just gonna do it here at home, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna merge what we did in our project sa school. Okay, so let me just import the animation that we created. So create, import. Okay. Nasan siya? Hanapin lang natin. Ito. And let's import this. Let's put this in one folder para maayos. Create folder, character. Sorry. Put it here. Ayan. And let's put it here. Okay. Now this is what I want you to see. Alright? The character does not have any textures, right? So yung character natin, which is this one, plus to. Okay? So ito yung idle pose na if I'm not mistaken. And this one is the one with the animation. Okay? So, but if you would see, okay, wala siyang textures even if I drag it there. Ayan, no? Okay? Oops, undo. Patay. Import ko ulit. What did I do? Sorry. Let me just import that again. Downloads. Ba't ko na-delete yun? Try ko na nga dyan. Alright, so how do we add the textures here? You select your character and then expand the arrow here. Yan. Notice, when I expand this arrow here, wala yung JPEG files niya for the textures. Pag meron, okay, pag meron, you go to materials and then just click on extract textures and then select folder and then extract materials, select folder. Kapag meron kang makikitang JPEG files dyan for the textures. But in my case, wala akong makitang JPEG files dyan. So what I'm gonna do is just simply, dun sa location niya, I'm gonna use external materials legacy and then click on apply. Then click on fix now. Ayan. So meron na siyang texture. I'll do the same thing here. Okay. And then, location, extract materials, legacy, apply. And then, let's drag the animation there. Yan. Okay. So what we're gonna do now, notice if I play this, play ko ha. Nasaan siya? Ayan o, walang animation na nangyayari. Let me just unplay and then what I want, but meron to? What I want is for my camera view to be the same as my game view. So in order to do that, I'll just select this, go to my game, go to the view that I want, and then select your main camera, game object, align with view. Alright, so with this, ayan. So, we're gonna create now an animator controller. Ito yung parang anim state graph sa Play Canvas. So, right-click, create animator controller, and this would be the animation for my character. So, on my character, I'm just gonna drag the animator controller there. Alright? But if I play, there's no animation yet. Tingnan nyo ha. Play. Uy, mag-play ka. Click. Ayan o. So, walang animation even though it's playing because even if we attach the animator controller to our character, wala pang animation na nakalagay dito. Alright? So, let me just stop the game. Okay. And then, on my animator controller, I'm gonna drag the animation that I want. So, if I preview this, hanapin niyo yung triangle icon. So, ito siya. Not sure kung bakit mabagal. Ayun, naka 0.18 pala. Okay. Ayan. Mabagal siya kanina kasi naka 0.18 yung speed niya, but let's make it, dapat 1, no? Para normal. Yan. Alright. So, ito, let me just check kung may animation to. Itong T-pose. Meron rin. Okay. Ito ba yun? Yung T-pose. T-pose. Where's that? Ito. Itong dance. Meron ba? Okay. So, it's up to you kung anong gusto nyo. I think they're the same animation. Dalawang beses nilang in-export. So, yeah. So, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drag this now. This triangle icon here. And then, by default, that would now play. So, let's play the game. Yan. So, ayan o. So, nag-animate na siya. Alright? So, I'm good with this. What I'm gonna do now is, I'm gonna add a rigid body component to my character. So, sa inyo, pwede for example, pwede kayong maglagay ng, di ba meron kayong game na tumatakbo. You could use Mixamo as well. Okay? You could use your own animation. Ano pang mga animations nyo? Yung talking, what else? Ano pa yung mga concepts nyo? Running, di ba? Grabbing, hugging, pwede yon. So this is one option of how to create your own animation. But if you want, you could use mixamo.com kung gusto niyo yung mga animations doon. Alright? Okay, but since, for example, ito yung character nyo and this would interact now, for example, mamamatay siya or you want to shoot them, don't forget to add, for example, a rigid body. And check natin use gravity as well as a collider. Alright? Bahala na kayo sa shape ng collider. Pero for example, walang interaction yung character nyo, then don't add now a rigid body and a box collider. But for safety reasons, lagyan na rin siya. Okay?